Introducing the Nexzu Stormrider. Let's start unboxing. Carefully cut the straps or wires securing the box. Open the box from the side. Inside, you'll find all essential components neatly packed. Gently pull out the cycle along with the front wheel. Remove all protective packaging. Take off the seat cover. Keep the pedals, charger and toolkit aside for assembly. Attach the pedals and tighten all components securely. Disconnect the battery, adjust the seat height, then reconnect the 36-volt lithium-ion battery securely. Slide in the battery until it locks into place. Insert the key and power on the cycle. The digital display shows battery level and ride information. Powered by a 350-watt BLDC motor. Equipped with a smart display, reliable disc brakes, and front suspension for a smooth ride. Test the front mechanical disc brake for responsive stopping. Check the rear disc brake for complete control. Check the front suspension for comfort on uneven roads. Turn on the headlight for better visibility. Test the horn for added safety. Experience effortless riding with electric power and comfort. Your Stormrider is now ready. Enjoy a range of up to 60 kilometers on a single charge. Comes with assured warranty and a swappable battery system. Ride smart. Ride Nexzu.